Now that we've looked at clipping masks and also groups, it is also important to remember that we can actually put groups within groups, and we can apply clipping masks to those groups. To show you what I mean, I've created a duplicate of both of these skull images to create the mirror. They are still in groups, which means they still have the stroke applied and the fill and also the clipping masks. I'm going to shift select both of these and then put them into their own group. Let's call it Skulls Group, just so we can find it. Then I'm going to create a new layer on the top, right click, create clipping mask, and this will now attach to that group which has got both the skulls in it. Let's select a shape. In this case I'm going to select a fill of probably an off-white, something like that, and stroke I'm going to keep to red and the same size stroke that these other shapes have had. And then I'm going to create an ellipse like so. As you can see, this is now moved and is going to create this kind of effect. Let's zoom in to have a look. As I move it over, that clipping mask is only going to apply itself, but it's going to make it appear because it has the same colored stroke as the skull that it fits in. If I change the width of the stroke, it will be independent though. Likewise if I change the color. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm also going to change up the color to see if I can find something that's going to look a little bit more conducive for my image. That's kind of getting there.